We're gonna figure out a dryer handle. For some reason the dryer locked up and required extra force to open. So when we pulled, this broke out, closed it back, pulled again, both sides broke off. The good news, or in Google, and options to purchase will appear. So, got this on Amazon, many options, and now we just wait for it to arrive with 2-day prime shipping. Thanks to Amazon, the handle is here. There we go. It's a 2-pack, which tells me they expect it to break again, but at least this time I'll be ready. Let's do it. Could check the serial number. There is none. Simple. You pull it down, push it in, and push it down. These clips have to go down. There we go. Give it a, like you have to give it a good push. Get it in. Maybe a bigger push than I thought. Okay, that didn't work, so I'm gonna hit it. And that's what worked. Ta-da! Got it. So for all the people who are gonna be like me and afraid to push it in, now you know. Just hit it hard. And that'll do the trick. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.